Let's clear one dangerous myth right now. Incognito mode does not make you invisible. If you open an incognito tab and think no one will ever know, you are already wrong. Incognito only hides your activity from other people using your phone. That's it. Your internet provider, websites, networks, and even system logs can still see activity. So no, incognito is not a magic delete button. And here is the part most people don't talk about. Even after you close incognito tabs, temporary browsing data can still exist inside your browser system, not in history, but deeper. If you want to clean things properly, do this. Open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type the secret code. Enter. A hidden system page opens. Tap DNS. Click Clear Cache. Go to Sockets. Tap Flush Socket Polls. Let's be clear, this doesn't erase records from servers or your ISP, but it does remove local networks traces most users leave behind. If someone told you incognito makes you invisible, they lied.